We are here to connect, collaborate, and celebrate. All contribution and thanks to you guys. That's the reason we have had a good year. Our mission as an organization is to help clients gain competitive advantage through innovative software solutions. This is the reason we exist as a company. This is the reason why our clients value us. If you guys are not involved in agentic AI first mindset, I think you're being left behind. And to be honest, at WinWire, we all have an amazing opportunity. The past year has been truly phenomenal. We have built incredible momentum in agentic AI-led transformation at scale, powered by unwavering dedication to customer success and technology leadership. WinWire is recognized at the World Economic Forum in Davos as a premier AI-first services firm for our agentic AI at scale work.
WinWire is helping enterprises envision, design, build, and deploy next-generation AI solutions. We leverage our agentic AI at scale 3I framework to guide them through Imagine, Ignite, and the Impact stage, which helps unlock measurable value from their AI investments and creates true competitive edge.
If you want to grow in a people-first organization at the forefront of agentic AI transformation, WinWire is the place. Join us on this exciting journey.
At WinWire, we celebrate not just technical milestones, but the people behind them. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, creative problem solver, or bold innovator, there's a place for you here.